part 3 in the craftober series. This is Alba, and today he's going to be biting my ankles and wrists. So I just thought I should warn you of that. And if you are new here, then like and subscribe. Okay, it's too distracting, baby. I love you, but you gotta go because you're too bitey. I can barely do this without you. Hi guys, welcome to part 3 in the craftober series. This week we are gonna make a tiny little tree to go in our diorama of the cemetery and some pumpkins to decorate it. And if you're new here, we are following along in a series where every day of the month of October I craft something miniature and then I make a tutorial for you guys so you can follow along, and at the end we are going to celebrate Halloween together. So if you enjoy the video, please don't forget to like and subscribe because algorithms. So for this project we're going to need to go gather some supplies, and I'm going to show you the best place that you can do it. Alright, let's go. Follow me. Alright guys, we're out here in the wilderness, no one around for miles. Don't ask who's holding the camera, that's unimportant. We're here in the wilderness and we're gonna find some sticks today. Follow me. As you can see, the surface area of this region is such that the fauna and flora insidious to creating tons of, well, in layman terms, sticks, which is what we're looking for. So if you will follow me, I'll direct you to places that you may be able to uncover a stick yourself. You want to look for something like this, a fallen log, something like that. Yeah, but there are no sticks here, so come with me, we'll find some sticks. I just saved your life right now. You don't know how close you came. Oh wow, look at this! I've uncovered this region. It's never been seen before. Don't pan over there. Don't pan the camera that way.
Or like the stairs.
Yeah, don't show any of that. We're gonna cut that out. No one has ever been here before. Natural stairs in the outcropping. That looks a bit difficult to traverse. And so, my good friends, now you know how to collect sticks for your crafting needs. I've shown you everything you need. There's actually pretty good sticks right here, actually. So, blimey, it's hot out here. Stick to it, and one day you'll be able to create great dioramas like me.
Alright guys, we're back inside with our sticks. This is a hand-operated drill. Use it to put tiny holes inside of the stick that you want to make the trunk of your tree. Then fill it with super glue and attach branches to fill out the tree however you want. I learned this technique of using baking soda to instantly cure your super glue from Towan, another creator on this platform. This tree will undergo a few transformations throughout this video. The first look I had in mind for the tree was one of rotting away with no leaves and looking very sinister and creepy. So I'm painting it all black with some India ink and acrylics. I'm adding some of the turf that we used in the first episode for the grass to make it look like there's moss climbing all over the tree. I'm attaching it with plain Elmer's glue. I switched to using tacky glue as it seemed to attach the moss easier. Next, I decided that I didn't like the creepy look and I wanted to go with something more of a fall maple tree with leaves that were dying and slowly falling off. I used tacky glue to attach the confetti that I made out of tissue paper. In the beginning, I attached each piece one by one, and then I decided that I would try sprinkling it all over the tree and just dabbing glue around to catch the pieces as they fall down. And then I decided that the tree looked much too bright and alive, so I mixed some India ink in with water to make a homemade spray paint and spray all over the tree. I then used watercolors to paint in each leaf, a different shade of orange or red. And here is the part where some people are going to decide they hate me, but I realized that I don't like how the leaves look at all and decided to scrape them all off of the tree. So this tree was an experiment. I'm going to save it and try to improve it later on. This is polymer clay. The brand is Sculpey Firm. I'm rolling out balls and then squishing them a little bit to make them look more pumpkin-y, and then using a toothpick to put in the lines for the sides of the pumpkins and some dots just to give it a little texture. I also decided to make some tiny candles just to see how they'd come out. I let them bake in an oven that I got from Goodwill that is only used for crafts for 20 minutes, and now I'm painting over them with acrylics. I'm using the hand drill again to put a hole into the diorama base, sticking in a wooden dowel, and then using my Dremel to drill a hole in the bottom of the tree and attaching it where the dowel sticks out of the diorama. Now I'm filling in the pumpkins and decorations, and once again, that is it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. You're the best, and I'll see you in the next video for Craftober. Bye-bye.